Welcome to Drivee, and this is the all-new Audi RS5. It is biffy. The 2027 Audi RS5 is not just an update, it's a complete engineering shift. Hybrid power, nearly 640 horsepower. Advanced torque vectoring recalculating 200 times per second. This is Audi redefining performance. The 2027 RS5 doesn't abandon combustion, it evolves it. At its core remains a 2.9-litre twin-turbo V6. But this is not the same engine as before. Internals are reinforced, cooling is expanded, combustion mapping is recalibrated to work under higher sustained loads. This engine is now designed to operate as part of something larger. The turbochargers are revised for sharper response and more consistent boost delivery. Instead of relying solely on traditional air cooling, Audi introduces a water-cooled charge air system. That means intake temperatures remain stable, even during repeated hard acceleration. Less heat, less power fade, more consistency. On its own, the V6 produces around 375 kilowatts. But it no longer works alone. Integrated directly into the 8-speed transmission is a 130 kilowatt electric motor. Its placement inside the gearbox is critical. Torque doesn't travel through a separate path. It goes straight into the drivetrain. The effect is immediate. When you press the throttle, the electric motor fills the torque gap before the turbos reach peak boost. There's no waiting, no soft spot in the rev range. Power builds in one continuous wave. Combined system output reaches roughly 470 kilowatts and around 825 newton-meters of torque. Energy is stored in a 25 kilowatt-hour battery mounted near the rear axle. Positioning it there improves balance compared to previous generations. Electric-only driving is possible for moderate distances, but here, the battery serves a performance purpose, delivering boost under load and recovering energy under braking. Power is sent through Audi's mechanical quattro system with a self-locking center differential. At the rear, dynamic torque control actively distributes torque between the wheels. In a corner, more power can be directed outward, sharpening rotation and improving stability. Yes, the hybrid hardware adds weight, but Audi's approach isn't extreme lightness. It's intelligent torque management, calibrated response, mechanical grip supported by electronic precision. Even the RS Sport exhaust is revised. Larger diameter pipes, electronically controlled flaps. Flow and sound adapt depending on throttle position and drive mode. The result is not a replacement of the RS formula. It's a recalibration. Combustion remains the foundation. Electrification becomes the amplifier. On paper, the numbers are strong. In practice, the question will be how it feels. How naturally these systems blend when the road starts to twist. And that is where this new RS5 becomes interesting.
For sure, the main inspiration is the motorsport. Our history in motorsports, our legacy, our victorious cars from Le Mans and the touring cars. This brings us a wide pool of inspiration when we work on these super sporty athletic cars. For us designers, it's really a dream to work on the RS5 because the base model is already super attractive, and on the RS we are able to enhance the proportions, we have better stance, we have a wider track. It's just a dream and it became a fantastic car. RS models clearly stand out with their proportions, so they are really extreme, they are enhanced, everything is linked to motorsports and the details are clearly there just to perform. We have a really powerful engine. This engine for sure needs air, and therefore the single frame got wider. The air intakes also improve the airflow around the car. The side view for me is striking because of two reasons. A sharp silhouette, super sporty, and a surface treatment that is communicating quattro in a bold way. There are three fascinating elements on the diffuser: the vertical fins on the outside, then the oval exhausts that are a RS trademark, and in the middle we have the vertical reflector that hints to our motorsport heritage. Carbon is a clear link to motorsports, and our carbon camouflage is our new take on this high-tech material. The RS5 sedan is the perfect combination of elegance and the athletic DNA of our RS cars. It was a fantastic journey with our team to work on both cars, the sedan and the Avant. The Avant enables our customers to go on a beautiful holiday trip with all the luggage that is attached, and to combine this with a really emotional way of driving the full RS experience. This combination is just fantastic. A special element on the Avant is for sure the rear spoiler, which has the double wing and integrated the brake light that reflects onto the rear window. The interior of the RS5 features a strong driver orientation, and we have the same focus on the details like in the exterior. We offer different packages, for example the carbon camouflage or the leather with the red stitching, and really special is the steering wheel for sure, with the two buttons, the boost button and the RS button, for the 100% RS experience. The treatment of the lights is really crucial for every Audi. For the RS, we came up with a checkered flag signature that adds another iconic element for the RS family. The RS5 is fascinating from every angle. We wanted to create exactly this wow effect. When people see this car, they just want to experience its power. It was a dream to work with our team on this car. My name is Wolf, and this is the all-new RS5.
Yes, it's heavier. Yes, it's hybrid. But it's also faster, more advanced, and more capable than any RS5 before it. This isn't the end of pure petrol performance. It's an evolution. Hopefully, a good one. Did you take this hybrid RS over a traditional V8? Let me know below. Subscribe for more global automotive insight. And until next time, stay driven.